Snow coming down in the FM area and beyond. That blizzard warning is in place for many, and we have an update for you on your forecast. So we have first alert weather days for tonight, and that lasts into tomorrow and more. Where that comes from, let's take a tour of our cameras, shall we? This keeps you ahead of the storm. We do take a look in the Devil's Lake Basin, upper left-hand quadrant. And that's from our Home of Economy camera location right on Highway 2 there. You can see across the street, so the visibility isn't as bad there, but down by the Dakota Magic Casino, it's actually improved visibility wise. There's snow still coming down. Grand Forks, some hazy skies in the background, and Fargo, probably the lowest of the visibilities right now in that area. And here's that update once again for the areas in eastern North Dakota. No travel advisories there, and parts of northwest Minnesota where you see the pinks. Roads recovered are reported to be covered from Bemidji through the Grand Forks area on up towards Thief River Falls, making some of that travel kind of tricky. And I just went outside and measured some of this snow that's outside, and here's the problem. We had a lot of snow before, and there's about 2.9 inches of this right now, and it blows around real easy, and our wind is just now getting ready to kick up. So here's the headlines. Overnight blizzard with gusts over 40 developing for many areas. 2 to 6 inches expected by morning. We're over 2 now and close to 3 here in the FM area. And also, as the snow exits in the morning, the gusty wind continues and it'll usher in dangerous cold. The Arctic cold sticks around all the way to the end of the week. Again, 2 to 6 inches of snowfall expected anywhere in the dark circle. That's from Thief River Falls, Marshall County, portions of Kittson County, all the way into Lakes Country, Breckenridge, Wahpeton, and that down south and to the west. The snowfall potential drops off pretty significantly, and an isolated location picking up 8+, not out of the question. Right now, 10 degrees, wind 22 miles per hour, so we're not as gusty as we were last hour. We were over 30 miles per hour. Here's the core of the snow right now. We're talking from Crookston and Grand Forks right into the Fargo area, out towards Rothsay, Barnesville, and that I-94 corridor right now. Snow is not done out to the west. It's just a little bit lighter right now, and the wind is really picking up out in our western counties with a quarter-mile visibility in Oaks and in Gwinner. Half-mile for Fargo, 1 mile in Detroit Lakes, and visibility now reduced to 3/4 of a mile for you in Wadena as snow does expand into our Minnesota counties. There it is, the wind gusts in the colored counties, mainly along the South Dakota border here, over 40 miles per hour. As temperatures are starting to fall a little bit down in the Devil's Lake Basin, 0 there. Another look at the blizzard warning for the Red River Valley counties of North Dakota and Minnesota, and the James and the Cheyenne River valleys, Jamestown, Valley City, and into southeast North Dakota, as well as Devil's Lake. Here is a pause at 3 in the morning. The snow continues and it slowly will exit off to the east. The gusty winds, though, really do increase as we go into the overnight hours. So between now and 3 a.m., the wind will really pick up and it'll be noisy. And it'll continue to do that as we go towards daybreak, though the snow will be wrapping up for most. There will still be a few flakes flying according to our model here as we begin our day in our easternmost counties. The gusty wind, though, continues throughout the day. Temperatures warmest in the morning, falling in the afternoon to single digits below to teens below in our area. One more look at the snowfall forecast. 2 to 6 for many, including Grand Forks, Fargo, Devil's Lake, Lakes Country, including Fergus Falls and Detroit Lakes as well as the Bemidji area. Patrick capturing some difficult travel conditions. Let's talk a little bit about the cold that follows the snow, because we'll have falling temperatures on Wednesday as the Arctic air nudges in. 3 below in the afternoon. Dangerously cold and still windy into Thursday morning, causing wind chills 30 to 50 below 0. And we stay Arctic through the day. We are cold Friday morning. I've added a first alert weather day there, but we start climbing out of the icebox just a little bit and briefly as more snow makes its way in Saturday. Sunday, another Arctic slap comes on in with 20 to 30 below temperatures in the mornings for Sunday and for Monday. Make sure you tune into the Valley today, first thing in the morning for the latest. There's a lot of cancellations across the bottom of the screen, and you can find those on our weather app, and you can find those online as well.
You're using that Arctic word a lot lately, too.
Too much, really too much.